So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can make your pen drive read only, so that when you plug in your pen drive to another computer, then your files would be intact and your pen drive won't be affected by the virus. Alright. So I will show you how you can do that. So maybe you are an IT professional, or maybe you are a person who need to plug your pen drive to multiple devices and you have some files that you want to distribute among other computers, but other PCs might have viruses that might corrupt your precious files and you don't want that. Then in that case, I would definitely suggest you to do this step and turn on the read only access on your pen drive, and I will show you how you can do that in this particular video. And if you already did the read only access and want to remove it, then follow the video in the I button to know how you can remove the read only access. All right, so here this is my pen drive. It is a 16 GB pen drive, and so if you just right click on your pen drive after connecting it, then you need to click on properties. So here just first check what is your file system is. My file system is in NTFS, and if your file system is in FAT32, then you need to convert it to NTFS. And if you don't know how you can do that, the simplest way to do it would be just right click on it and click on format. But if you just format your pen drive, then all of the files in your pen drive will be lost. So you need to back up your file, and then you should format it. So when you are formatting your pen drive, here just select the file system, and if it is in FAT32, you need to select to NTFS. All right, and if it is already NTFS, then you don't need to change anything. So as my pen drive is already in NTFS, so I wouldn't do it. All right, and if you are wondering that how you can convert to from FAT32 to NTFS, then follow the video in the I button to know that. All right. So just right click on your pen drive and click on properties. If your file system is in NTFS, then you should find an option called security. Just click on this security option, and here you can find an option called permissions for everyone. So here you can see the option for read is currently in allow. So click on this edit option here, and then here just scroll down a bit, and here you can see write. So it is currently selected to allow, so you need to mainly deny this write permission and then keep the rest of the things same. So here you can see you can control, modify access, read access, all right, or write access. So currently we are denying the write permission and we're clicking on apply. So it is saying that here it is warning you, so just click on yes, click on continue, and that's it. So now if we just again go to properties, so here you can see that our write access is now currently selected as deny. So now I will show you that how it might affect. So here you can see that I have couple of images, for example. All right, so I have couple of images here that I can easily read. So if I just want to delete one, just let's, for example, we want to delete this one. So here it is saying you need to provide permission. Let's click on continue. So here it is not working. You can see it is saying you require permission. So it is not working and you cannot delete any files. But you can easily copy files from here, but you cannot paste anything. So here you can see we can copy easily from this file. But if we want to paste a new file here, for example, we want to copy this image to our pen drive. So here you can see it is saying you need permission to perform this action. So I will show you that what will happen if I just change the computer. So I'll move over to another computer and plug this pen drive. All right, so we're in a different computer now. So here you can see that our pen drive is now detected. And if we just click on our pen drive, here you can see that we can see the files, we can see the images and everything. But if we want to delete one of the images, for example, we want to delete this. Here you can see it is saying that we need permission and we actually cannot delete this file. All right, and you can easily copy this file and paste it to this new computer. So here you can see that we have pasted this image here. So it is perfectly working here, but you cannot copy a different image and copy it to your pen drive. So here let me show you. if we try to like copy and paste this image, we cannot like write it on our pen drive. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can like enable the read only access, and if you want to like change it back to the normal option, then I will show you how you can do that. So if you want to like revert it back to the original settings, then again you need to plug it to the computer where you have like turned on the read only access, and then just right click on here and click on properties, and then click on security, click on edit, and then just give it permission. So you can like select full control and then click on apply and okay. And if you cannot for some reason access the original computer, then you definitely need to format your pen drive to use it like a normal one. All right, so that's it. This was a quick tutorial on how you can enable the read only access on your pen drive. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also let me know that how it helped you in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and I'm signing out.